Hey everyone, it's Kelly here with She Learns Video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to utilize Canva in order to create video pins for Pinterest. So here you will see I'm on the Canva homepage. If you go to social media, you'll see all the different options for many different platforms, and you're just going to scroll over until you find the Pinterest pin option. And this is going to be the perfect size for you to create a Pinterest pin. The tutorial today is surrounding video, but you could also drop in still images utilizing this same template. Okay, so once you're inside of the Pinterest pin, you'll see you have your layout here in the right size, and there's lots of different templates that you can select from. So for me, I'm going to choose a Pinterest video pin, and I'm just going to drop that over here. You'll see it fill up the entire screen. And I like how this one has plenty of room for me to display my video, and then down at the bottom there's just a little bit of room for copy, something super clean and simple. You can find a template that works well for your brand or the video that you're trying to display. And then from there, you're going to want to go over to Uploads. And here you will see there are lots of images from previous sessions that I have uploaded along with some video files. Since I'm a videographer, I do have lots of videos to share, and so I keep them here on Canva for me to utilize whenever I see fit. What you'll do is you'll find the video that you want, or you can drag and drop it from your desktop or another file, upload it here, and then you'll take it and you can pop it right on top of this previous template video, and you'll see it display here. So with this video, in the beginning, you did see a little bit of the text that comes up. If I click on it again, you can go back to the beginning. So you'll see how this text doesn't fully fit in the Pinterest pin. When you move it around, you could have a little bit cut off at the beginning or a little bit cut off the end, and we can fix that here in a moment. I'm actually not going to have this information display in the Pinterest pin. I'm going to cut down the video, so we'll just keep it right here in the middle. And then down here on the bottom, this text was in white, so if you highlight it, we're going to change it to a font that I utilize for my brand, and then a color. I'm going to choose this navy blue color that I utilize in my brand, and I'm just going to write Indianapolis branding video. Okay, and so now that we have that done, we have our video dropped on here, we have some text added so people know what the video or the blog post is going to be about. I am going to go up here in the top left and choose this little scissors with the time of the video. So the length of the video is right here. I'm actually going to cut this video down to about 5 seconds. I've found that video pins between 5 to 10 seconds tend to do pretty well on Pinterest. People aren't watching much longer than that. As you know, everyone is pretty consistently scrolling by, so make sure you're thinking about that when you're creating these pins. You don't necessarily want to create video pins that are 30-40 seconds long. It's better to break them up into small little snippets and have multiple pins to add to your Pinterest feed and repin to those different boards. So we'll cut it down here to 5 seconds. Then you'll see a little bit of what's going to display in that 5 seconds. And I'm actually going to move it over so you can see the business owner a little bit better. Perfect. Okay, so I have my title, I have my video pin displayed, and then when you play it, you can see how it plays out. Perfect. All right, and so from here, I am going to, okay, I like it down here at the bottom a little bit better. Okay, so from here, I'm going to duplicate this page. And now you'll see it's exactly the same, but when you go up here to the top left-hand corner, it is still 5 seconds, and I'm just going to drag this over so that it displays kind of the next 5 seconds of that video. And in a way, it's just created a new video pin for you to display. You could also change up the color if you want to duplicate these and have multiples of the same video, but make the design look a little bit different. You could do that. Maybe do something, like this. Just change up a little bit. So you can kind of do a little bit of that A/B testing where you're trying to figure out what works better, what people respond to a little bit better. And this gives you lots of options to do that in a really simple way. So again, we'll duplicate the page. I'll go up here to the top left. I'm going to move it along a little bit more, make another 5-second video. And then again, I'll do the same thing to where I'm kind of going towards the end of the film. And so there you have, we've already created 5 pins pretty easily in just a matter of minutes. And again, you can move this up, you could put it in the middle, wherever it works best. You could go back to templates and change up the template for each one. There are so many different options when it comes to creating video pins, and this is a great tool for doing that. So from here, how do we get it to Pinterest? Now what we're going to do is you could click this button that says publish to Pinterest. This will pull up your Pinterest profile and you can publish directly that way. I like to schedule my pins through a tool called Tailwind. And what I will do is I'll click on the first one here. I'll click download. I am going to download it as an MP4 video, and you want to download each page individually. The reason why is if you download all of the pages, it will actually make it one long MP4 video. It will not make it individual pages or individual clips. So we're just going to do this first one, download it. And then once it's downloaded, I will just drag it over to Tailwind and get it scheduled out to post on my Pinterest feed. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. And if you would love to subscribe to our channel, we would really appreciate it. And we look forward to you learning more about video, creative small businesses, and how to add video into your photography business.